To install Canon printer driver, you can go to Canon website. The link is provided in the video description. You can go to the Canon website. Once you go to the Canon website, go to support option, select support, and then click on find software and drivers. Click on it, and then you have to select printer. Click on printer over here, and then you have to select your device. If you have Pixma series, you can select Pixma, Megatank, large format, selfie, IV, whichever series you have to select the right model. For example, this is just an example. I'm selecting Pixma. You can select your device, and then you have to select the right series. So if you have G series, IP, IX, MP, MX, MG, whichever series you have, make sure that you select the right series of your printer, and then you have to select the right printer. Make sure that you select your model number. You can find the model number on your printer. You can check your model number, and then you have to select your model number. This is just an example. Once you select your model number, scroll down, and you can go to software and drivers. You can expand this software and drivers, expand it, and then by default operating system should be detected. If you have Linux, Linux should be detected. If you have Mac, it should detect Mac. In my case, it's Windows. Now select your operating system. If it's Windows 11, select Windows 11. If it's Windows 10, 8.1, 8.1, 7, whichever, it should detect automatically. If not detected, you can select the right operating system from here. And then from download type, you can select drivers. And over here, you will see the drivers. MG 2200 series, you will see that driver. So you can, and here you can see XPS printer driver. So this is the recommended one. So you can download the driver, and then you can run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Next, you can select your region over here. Next, yes. From here, you have to just follow the on-screen instruction to install the driver, and then you have to connect your printer. Now over here you can see connect the printer. You can use the USB cable, or once you connect your printer, follow the on-screen instruction and you can just install the driver, connect to your printer. So this is how you can download, install your Canon printer driver on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.